Welcome back. Now, part of the new operating system is to have access to Microsoft Edge. And the Edge browser can be used alongside with or can take the place of Internet Explorer. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Microsoft Edge and we're going to type in a web address. Now with Edge, you're going to notice some controls on the right-hand side. In particular, you're going to notice this pen where we can add notes. We're going to click that Notes button. When we do that, you're going to notice some controls then at the top of your browser. And what this is going to do is this is going to allow us to make notations on top of this site. So for example, what we're going to do is we're going to click this ballpoint pen. We're going to select a color. And then we're going to notate here. And we're going to notate here. We're also going to come back and we're going to grab our highlighter and we're going to highlight those terms also. We can then take this note and we can save it onto either our OneNote or we can save it to our hard drive by clicking this button. And basically, Edge allows us to take any website, make notes on it, and then save it to our personal computer or to our cloud drive using Microsoft OneNote. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.